All right, continuing on with what we've been looking at here with the Euro Aussie, Euro Kiwi, Pound Aussie, Pound Kiwi. Checking out these setups. It is the 18th of February, 2021, Thursday, almost 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yesterday we looked at the Euro Aussie as a possible entry. We see this spike pattern. Well, when spike patterns show up near the end of a pretty prolonged down move, it's generally indicative of a bottom. And there's a couple ways that you could play this. So we've lowered our buy stop entry. This is the third time this week, which is fine because that's exactly what we're supposed to do. As it's dropped lower, so does our buy stop. So our buy stop entry is now at 56 even, 156 even, where yesterday it was at 56.40, and the day before that it was at 56.60. You could, if you wanted to, you could look at entertaining an early entry on the 10 pip chart, which is on the top right. This is a pole pattern, and consequently the pole pattern entry on the 10 pip 3-box reversal chart is the same as the entry on the 20 pip chart. And then down below here we have our faster one, that is the 5 pip chart. And yeah, so that's what's going on there. So we're gonna have I'm actually long on the Euro Aussie right now already. Added in a little bit more when we hit, where was it at? It was earlier this morning when we had kind of a double bottom form. But anyways, so that's on the Euro Aussie, lowering that buy stop entry. The Euro Kiwi. It takes just a second for the point and figure charts to update. The Euro Kiwi, there's no change on this guy here so far. We are still waiting for a break above. Now, this is a little different because we did not get the triple top, which is fine, but we also haven't gotten a continuation move south. Normally, when I see a setup like this, maximize this. So this is on the 20 pip 3-box reversal chart. Normally when I see a failed triple top right up against the trend line, I just kind of take it as a washout. However, this new column of X's here, then we turned into some O's. But if we get a new column of X's to appear, that will break the downtrend angle and will convert to a bull market. But still the rule is that we cannot take an entry until after a multiple top or bottom has been broken. So our entry here would actually be at 168.40. So we actually lower our entry target by 1 box and maintaining that same profit target zone up there. On the 10 pip chart, it's this 10 pip chart says we've converted back to a bear, but honestly it's been pretty congested on the 10 pip and the 5 pip. The 20 pips giving us a little bit more of a clear idea of what's going on. Then we got the Pound Aussie. Excuse me. Seeing equity markets do a lot of retracing, things we've been talking about. All right, so the Pound Aussie, same story here. We are just waiting for, actually, I think I've got to. Oops, come on. There we go. I had to trigger a long entry on there, otherwise I was going to miss it. So our entry here is this is on the 40 pip 3-box reversal chart. So it's at 180.40. On the we should actually change this to the 20 pip. Sometimes so like on these Kiwi and Aussie pairs with the euro and the pound, I go with my long-term chart as the 40 pip. But lately I've been sticking with the 20 except for the Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie on the 20 pip 3-box reversal chart top right. I mean, there is an opportunity to go long there, but I'm staying away from it for right now. I still like waiting for the entry on the 40 pip 3-box reversal chart. Somebody asked, well, how long does it spend in these moves? Well, you can put the month on, by the way, this software is Optima by Market Analyst. It's a professional version. It's a professional suite of software for analysts or for people who are uber nerds like me. But what you can see here is, and maybe you can or can't, you can see the months are kind of inside the box. That's just letting you know, when the month of, like for here, this is 11, this is the month of November. This is where the month of November started, and at what box, at what price. And, we can tell that this is the price action that it had. Then we get into December, and then we get all the way over to, so this is interesting if you think about it this way. The month of November had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reversals, and December had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 reversals, meaning we alternated from a bull market to bear market. So I'm still looking at that entry there on the pound Aussie. Actually took just a second ago, I did take an early entry on it. Low risk, low position size. Pound Kiwi. Actually need to change this guy to the 40 pip as well, which shows us that we missed that entry. And then I bring this one over to the 20 pip. There we go. Missed the entry on this one, so that's no big deal. Yeah, it's all right. Let's go back to the Euro Kiwi. Still waiting for that. Check out the Aussie dollar, US dollar. Let's see what we've got going on there. So we're still looking for a sell stop at 77.10. Yeah, 77.10 on the, wait, sorry, that's not right. 0.7710. Still looking for that there. Nothing different. Let's check the pound loonie, because that one's actually had a lot of movement too. I was afraid of that. Missed the action on it. Pound yen. We looked at last week, I think it was. We looked at the pound yen and the Kiwi yen. And I think we're going to have to take a look at those again. Here are some possible short opportunities. Definitely on the 20 pip chart. So this could turn into a bull trap. Very, very easily could turn into a bull trap. That would be awesome, actually. So on the 20 pip chart, that's what I'm going to base it off of. 20 pip chart, we see there's a bullish entry here. However, if we get a reversal column of O's where we get a bearish entry, that turns it into a bull trap. Or if we get another box, it'll turn it into a bearish fake out. So here we would be looking at 146.40. And we did that on February 18th. Of course, these are recorded, so I don't know why I need to put the dates there. But that's what's there for the pound yen. On the 10 pip, we've got a megaphone pattern happening here on the 10 pip chart. And then we have so if you want to be really aggressive, by the time you guys watch this, I don't know if this is going to be here or not, but the 5 pip chart down below has a very clear spike pattern. This is a massive column without any retracement on it. So the reversal here would be the 3-box reversal. That would be the entry. That'd be at 147.55. Sell stop at 147.55. That is a very aggressive entry, and you probably wouldn't want your profit target to be, don't chase profit. Just take it as it shows up. Half the distance of this entire column of X's. So, just eyeballing it, I'd say 147.20. So 35 pip profit target. I think that's a safe zone to run in. Yeah. Hold on. I've got these pending. I want to get rid of these sell stops that I had open on the NASDAQ because I've already got active shorts and I don't want to add any more to them. All right. I think that does it. I think that's good. Actually, let's check out the Kiwi Yen one real quick. See what we've got happening over there. Yeah, that there. This one could turn into a pretty swift drop as well. Yeah, this is converted to the bear side on the 5 pip. If this kind of a setup here, where we broke down below the bullish angle, converting to a bear market, and then if the next column over retests, this can sometimes be considered a fake out. But just be careful of that. Yeah, I think we've got some good setups here so far with those other pairs, so we'll just leave it there. Thank you guys for watching. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk with you all tomorrow.